Want to turn GoHighLevel into your own sales agency? With the right setup, you can offer clients everything they need to close more deals, all under your brand. First, white label GoHighLevel. That means your brand the platform with your logo, your colors, and your domain, so clients see it as your software. Next, create high converting sales funnels for different niches. Each funnel is designed to capture leads, nurture them, and convert them into paying customers. Now, layer in automations like SMS follow-ups, email campaigns, and appointment reminders. This keeps your client's pipeline full without them lifting a finger. Now, package it all as a done-for-you sales system. Charge monthly retainers, setup fees, or even revenue shares. You're not just a marketer anymore, you're running a sales agency. That's how you transform GoHighLevel into a sales agency, fully branded, fully automated, and built for recurring revenue. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.